Hey, imagine this. You flip a switch, and instantly a team of AI agents starts building your entire online business for you. Courses, communities, sales pages, even traffic campaigns, all done automatically in your voice, your style, your brand. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, that future is here, and it's called GuruOS. Now, let's be real. Building an information business is tough. You've got to design courses, keep communities active, write endless sales copy, and somehow drive traffic while juggling everything else. Most people quit before they even launch because it feels overwhelming. And if you've tried generic AI tools, you know the results often look bland, robotic, and nothing like your unique brand. That's the problem GuruOS solves. It doesn't just generate content, it clones your style, your expertise, and your personality into a coordinated team of AI agents that actually build and grow a business that feels like you. So what exactly is GuruOS? It's the world's first agentic operating system designed to launch and scale your info business from scratch. Think of it as your personal AI business team. Step 1. GuruOS learns. You upload your ideas, documents, or links, and the system instantly studies your voice, your knowledge, and your brand style. Step 2. Course agents build structured, high-quality courses with modules, video lessons, ebooks, and transformation paths, ready to sell inside memberships. Step 3. Community agents launch gamified communities where members earn points, badges, and referral rewards, keeping engagement high and leads flowing automatically. Step 4. Marketing agents create high-converting sales pages, funnel copy, and even email campaigns based on proven formulas. Step 5. Traffic agents drive visitors to your pages, capture leads, and even close sales with chatbot agents that can literally clone your expertise. And here's the kicker. You also get access to Ben Murray's GuruOS Blueprint Academy, a step-by-step system built on $20 million worth of real launches. That means you're not guessing. You're following a proven roadmap. The beauty of GuruOS is that it's designed for anyone. You don't need tech skills, design experience, or a marketing background. The agents do the heavy lifting, but everything they create feels authentic to your brand. Imagine having a polished course ready to sell in days, not months. A thriving, gamified community that grows itself. Sales pages and funnels written by AI agents trained on millions in successful launches. Automated traffic campaigns that keep your business alive 24/7. This isn't just about saving time. It's about building a future-proof business that stands out from generic AI noise and actually converts. And remember, this system isn't theory. It's built on the exact blueprint behind 30-plus six-figure launches. That's why GuruOS is more than software. It's a proven business engine. Whether you're starting from scratch or scaling an existing brand, GuruOS gives you the tools, the automation, and the strategy to succeed. So, if you've ever dreamed of launching your own info brand, creating courses that sell, or building communities that thrive without burning out, GuruOS is your shortcut. Click the link below. Check out GuruOS and see how easy it is to activate your own team of AI agents today. Don't wait months trying to piece everything together. Let GuruOS build, launch, and scale your business the smart way. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'm excited to see what you'll create with GuruOS. Drop a comment if you're ready to build your future-proof business, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep creating. Keep growing, and let's make your brand unstoppable.